We're doing this. If you know this, you know this. We are back for another ThredUp haul try on situation. If you guys aren't familiar, I've done so many different videos trying ThredUp. ThredUp is an online secondhand thrift shop. Essentially, if you don't have the patience to go into a thrift shop in real life, you can go on ThredUp and pay far more than you should for items. Clearly this video is not sponsored. But the reason why I am back with another one of these is because in the return policy, there's several options. So if you want like a full refund, you have to spend extra money, I think, to send. I can't remember how it breaks down, but basically what I always end up doing is when I return, they sort of hold on to the money I have, and then I go back and keep buying things until I find the perfect items, and then my balance is at zero. But my balance has been up and down for a while now because I feel like recently, and let me know if you feel this too, it could just be the way I'm shopping, but recently I feel like I haven't had much success, which is a shame, but is great for video making because I can continue to try items from ThredUp without having to spend a single penny. So, silver lining. Anyways, today I have 3 items to try on. I thought there was more, and so I was waiting. I was like, geez, they're really taking a long time to send me the rest of my order. And then today I was like, let me just double check what I ordered. And in the most Lisa fashion, I realized, oh no, this is the full order, and I've been sitting on this for a couple of days, so cool. I decided to do an exclusive pant haul. I'm in need of a few more pants for the summer, which sounds counterintuitive, but I need them. Cause I'll do shorts if I have to, you know what I mean? If I could do pants, that would be easy breezy, beautiful, cover my legs, girl. That would be great too. So let's dive right in. The thing that I do really like about ThredUp is they have a great filter system, so it's really easy to sort through all of the stuff they have on there because they have a lot of stuff. They also always have sales, so never buy unless you're getting a sale on top of that. So I waited. I put stuff in my like favorites section, and then I wait until a sale pops up. And this time around, I think it was like a Mother's Day sale or something like that. So it was like up to 50% off of the items that I chose. And all of these, I believe, are petite, which is great because I don't have to get them hemmed. So let's just take a look. Full transparency, I did peek at all of these and I already have thoughts and judgments. So I'm looking online now so I can tell you guys about each item, and they actually, like right now, we're having an up to 50% off sale. I will try to get this video up ASAP, so if you do want to shop, now is probably a good time to do it. But here we go. Here are the first pair. I have been on the hunt for a white pair of pants. I don't want to do a denim. I was thinking more of a slack. If you guys have watched some of my previous like haul videos, I feel like every time I want to style something, I want a nice slack that is cute and trendy to go with it, and I just don't have that. So I favorited so many white slacks, so many white pants on ThredUp, and I ended up choosing these, and I feel like maybe I made the wrong choice because now that I'm looking at them, I have so many thoughts. Okay, these are Ann Taylor Loft Petites. I got them in a 2 petite. This is the Julie pant. And already I can see like there's some sort of marking on them, which like, listen, they're white pants. What do we expect? But I did in the filter part, like request either new with tags or almost like new or like new. And so this, I don't know why I don't like the look of these off the bat, but let me just see how much I paid for them. So these I got for $19.89, which is awesome. I didn't want to go over, I think I had like a $46 credit on there, so I wanted to try to stay within that. And these were originally listed for $70. So, I mean, kind of can't beat that. Let's pop these on and see how we do. This is a face of disappointment. Take a look. So here they are. Not as bad as I expected when I pulled them out, but I'm having this issue, as I do, which I'm actually surprised in the petite pants. I didn't think I would because of my proportions, but take a look. as if I'm gonna be doing this all the time. And I kind of wish that they were a little bit more high-waisted, but I will say that white pants, the reason why I've been avoiding them is because a lot of times they're kind of see-through, and I just don't like the way my legs typically look in a white pant. But these, the material is pretty good, I would say. Like the thickness, they're thick enough, but they don't feel very like warm or heavy. I also realized they don't have any pockets, which is a little bit weird. Guys, just not my cut, you know what I mean? Not the cut for me, but I love this idea of a white pant. It's just these aren't it, and I'm sad about it. I feel like my butt looks cute in them. It's just the front portion that's not working for me. But they do make me feel very like vacation, you know what I mean? Like I want to go to a cruise ship and like, ole, 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 you know what I mean? Oh man, I really want these to work. All right, onward. Next up are these black pants that are also wool. So remember when I was like, I want some easy breezy summer pants? These are the antithesis of that. But I did realize I don't have any nice black pants. And the other day we were going to see a play and I was like, I would really like a pair of black pants. And so here these are. These are J.Crew wool pants, size 2 petite. I got them for $7.99, originally $138. So let's take a quick look. These are the Super 120s. I usually do very well in J.Crew pants. My favorite jeans are all J.Crew petite. I like the look of these. I mean, there's nothing like super special about them, but maybe that's exactly what we need. Let's give them a try. Okay, I really wish that the camera was on when I first put these on. This is my reenactment. I put them on and I just went, oh. Okay, go with me on this journey. These are so cute. I love the look of them on me. Like really, J.Crew pants is where it's at if you are a short, curvy gal. These are so cute. I love them. The pockets are sewn together, but I know I can pull that stitch out if I wanted to actually utilize the pockets. I feel like my tush looks cute in them. Like everything about these is perfect. What I would say, from the outside they feel okay, but these feel so disgusting is the only word that I can come up with inside, because they're wool and they have clearly been worn so much that inside they're kind of like pilling. And so the inside, like specifically in here, is like rough and it's like it's been worn down and worn down and worn down, and then it's just like did any of that make sense? If it did, you and me. If not, I mean, just trust me on this. Worn in wool on your backside is just not where it's at. I'm bummed though, because these are so, I would love to wear these. I sincerely cannot. I cannot. I want to get them off so bad. It is good to know though that J.Crew slacks fit just as lovely as the denim, so I can go back and try to find them in not a wool, but this is gonna be an ixnay on the wool A. Gross. Okay, I'm gonna take these off now, but before I do, let me introduce you to the last pair. We're really killing it today, guys. Really killing it. Speaking of J.Crew, I went for a pair of their denim. I always put these in my favorites list because I love, like I said, J.Crew denim. They are tried and true for me. I know my fit in them. And so anytime I see them, I'll put them in and then wait for the sale. These are kind I haven't tried yet. These are the J.Crew Curvy Toothpick. I actually have a pair of the toothpick pant and they're my favorite, but I haven't tried the curvy one. These are in 24 petite. And these were obviously resold somewhere else, and now they're at ThredUp, so these have been around the bin. I'm not totally convinced of this color whiskering situation. It didn't look like this to me online, but you know, actually for summer, these are probably pretty appropriate and would go with a lot of my lighter summery tops. Let's just see how much we got these for. Okay, so these were originally estimated to be $128. I got these for $25.99, which now I'm thinking I got ripped off. So there you go. How's that for a little interesting resale situation? So the Urban Runway, bless you, whoever you are, whatever store you are, you sold these for $15, and then ThredUp is upselling them for $25.99, and that is even with a discount. So let's try these overpriced pants on. Haven't put them on yet. I just took off the other ones. And let me tell you how much freer and better I feel now that I've taken those pilled wool pants off. Okay, putting these on. Okay, they're not all the way on, but I want to show you the shimmy dance to get them in. Ugh. Anyone else? Anyone else? You know the dance. If you know the dance, you know the dance. Wow. Whoa. Okay. These do not fit like my other ones fit. Whoa. Oh my God. This is a chore. Okay. Whoa. These are like really high rise. Oh. Wow. Whew, I'm sweating, no joke. Whoa. These are up. These are up there. These look like they're painted on at this point in time. Holy moly, this is not, okay, seriously out of breath. My J.Crews are the same size and they're not the curvy and they fit way better. This is wild. These are what? Jeff, you gotta look at these. Are they wild? They're so high.
They're a little high.
You like them?
I mean, you got a good bottom half.
Jeff didn't do comments, he just said I had a good bottom half, which was nice. Okay, so these aren't it. These are terrible. Oh my God. Wow, I'm shocked. They really look like they're painted on. Like, can you get the full picture? Let me move this down. I want to make sure you can see this piece of work. The artistry, my friends. Like, so tight. Like, oh man. Woo! That's gonna be a no from me. I'm like afraid to try to get these off. I feel like I'm gonna have to like lay on the bed and Chuck's gonna have to like yank them off of me. Yeah, this isn't gonna be good for the summer at all. One little sweat in here and it's like, forget about it. You're never getting these off. So, whoo! This is not a cut for me. You know the thing about ThredUp when they put on their like jeans, and I'll just say this for the J.Crew ones because I don't know about all the other ones because I really just look for J.Crew jeans on there. They don't say like what style they are. So this, like I said, was the high rise, like curvy toothpick or whatever. It doesn't say it on there. So you're kind of just guessing according to the height of the waist that they list. They do like low, medium, or high, and the look of the picture. And the picture isn't on a person, so it's really hard to say. I'm like, what is this look right now? Who is she? I gotta take these off. So there you go, it's a huge fail, but a good reminder that there are like great deals out there in terms of secondhand stuff. And the quality of the stuff is like, okay. I was gonna be like, and the quality was great. But that wasn't the truth today. Bummer, man. Big bummer. I'm thinking maybe next time I just need to go into a thrift shop and give that a try. So if you want to see me go in, I don't think I've done that, like an in-store, because I think now you can like try on thrift clothes in store, right? At my like local like Crossroads, I think the dressing rooms are open again. So I can actually like go and do that. I just find it so intimidating. But if you're interested, let me know. And or if you have any tips or tricks about ThredUp, or you want to see me try out specific brands on there, or just tops, or just dresses, absolutely let me know. We had to give this pant thing a try. We have failed, and maybe my next step here is actually going in store and trying to find some shorts. Thought about making a video trying some shorts. It's a daunting task, but I'm willing to do it for y'all because I love y'all so much. Thank you for watching. Looking forward to your thoughts below, and you know, if it was appropriate for YouTube, I would share the process of taking these off, but that's for another platform. All right, see you all later. Bye.